Yeah. Welcome back to Financial Accounting at 6. In this video, we want to calculate on the missing figures on the fifth asset note. So we've got a question that we have here, and we're only going to look at information 40. That's where we have information that is going to lead us to calculate the missing figures that we have in the fifth asset note. So the note reads a vehicle was sold at its current value on the last day of the financial year. Depreciation is written off on vehicles at 20% per annum on the diminishing balance method. Landed buildings were sold at cost during the financial year. So this is the information that we have. And then we need to calculate the missing figures whereby we put our A, we have B, we have B, and then we've got C and D. So those are the missing figures that we want to calculate. So we start by A. So A, you see that is the disposal and claim value of landed buildings. So we are going to put out the formula first, and then we calculate the value for A. So A, we see that it's what? It's disposal at carrying value. So it's that disposal at carrying value, disposal at carrying value, and formula that we are going to use is carrying value, carrying value in the beginning, add additions if they are there in the question, add additions if they are there in the question, and then we are supposed to calculate depreciation for the and that's how we find and dispose of chemical value. So I would say that the figure that we want to calculate is for linear buildings, and linear buildings do not have depreciation for there. So we just put zeros there. In addition to the costs, we are seeing that we've got also zero. So for us now, we start with our carrying value in the beginning, which is 3 billion. So we are going to say here carrying value in the beginning, 3 billion. So we are going to say 3 billion. And on additions, we are seeing there's zero. Here we've got a 0.6 within the building, so we can put our zero. Then we add we are supposed to subtract depreciation for the year. So let's just subtract depreciation for the year. Let's just check the figure that we have. And then depreciation for the year for the building is a zero again. So we're going to put a zero there. And then we have also depreciation for the year. And then finally, in our calculation, also we have to subtract our carrying value and end. So if you check there again, carrying value at the end now is we have put 2,500,000. So it means we are going to put 2,500,000. So we say minus 2,500,000. So we calculate them, see that here we got 0 minus 0 becomes 0. So it remains as 3 million minus 2,500,000. Then obviously the figure that we are supposed to get there becomes 500,000. So this is what we have in terms of disposal at carry value. So this is the figure that we have. Then we can try to see in terms of calculation of B. So we can use that B is here. At B, we are going to calculate depreciation for the year for vehicles. So to calculate depreciation for the year for vehicles, you see that we are given the terms of calculation of this information whereby they say depreciation is written off for the vehicles at 20% per annum on the diminishing balance method. So diminishing balance method, we know that we say percentage times carrying value, where the carrying value we get it by saying our cost minus accumulated depreciation at the beginning of the year. So the balances of cost and accumulated depreciation that we have at the beginning of the year, and then we multiply by the percentage. But if there are additions, obviously we have to make a proportion of the number of months that we had that vehicle, and also disposal. We have to check when we disposed of or sold that non-current asset or fixed asset to make a proportion of the number of months again. So according to the information that we are given, let's try to see. According to the information that we're given, we are seeing that there are no additions for vehicles, zero here. But we have got something that was disposed, which means we sold one of the vehicles. here on C. So, but if you go there, there's a structure that a vehicle was sold at its carrying value on the last day of the financial year. So it means this vehicle that was sold also stayed for the whole year. So basically, we are not going to make a proportion on the number of months because it stayed 12 months because it was sold on the last day of the financial year. So we are just going to take the figures that were given at the beginning, which is 660,000 as the carrying value, which is this carrying value, and then we multiply by the percentage, which is 20%. In other words, we are just saying 0.2 times 660,000. Then we get your depreciation of the year. So you come here. So all of B, we are now saying our 80% is 20 over 100, and then we multiply by 660,000 over 1, and obviously we try to reduce it further from 0.2 times 660,000. We calculate, we see that the figure that you are supposed to get there, we are supposed to get you 132,000. So here is we put 132,000 is the depreciation for the year for vehicles. And then we move on to the next one, which is our C. So on C, we are seeing that it's now disposal at carrying value. Disposal at carrying value. So to get disposal at carrying value, we can also try to put down the formula by saying our disposal at carrying value is now our C. So we are saying disposal at carrying value is equals to, obviously, we are going to say our carrying value at the beginning of the vehicles. At the beginning, we are saying our carrying value value that we have in the beginning, and then we are supposed to add any additions if they are there, and we are also supposed to subtract carrying value in the end, and we subtract also depreciation from there. So here we are saying carrying value in the beginning, and then we add any additions that are there. And then we subtract carrying value in the end. And also we subtract depreciation for the year. Depreciation for the year. Because we have carrying value in the beginning. We check the figure that we have for carrying value in the beginning there. Just try to see. For carrying value in the beginning of vehicles, we have put 660,000. So we are saying 660,000. Then we add additions if they're there. For vehicles, we have no addition, so it's 0. So we can just put our 0. And then we subtract carrying value at the end. I will see that carrying value at the end is 446,000 here. So we subtract it. We subtract depreciation for the year. So depreciation for the year is our B. And we've calculated our B here, which is 132,000 here. So we subtract 132,000. Then you calculate the size, you see that here. Our final figure that you're supposed to get them is 82,000. So here we put 82,000. So this is our final answer for disposal at carrying value. So we go to the next part of question, which is the last part. We have the calculation of our D. So D is carrying value at the end of the financial year. So carrying value at the end, we are saying to calculate carrying value, we are going to say costs minus accumulated and depreciation. And obviously, our costs, we check our costs at the end. I will give you it is 258,000 minus accumulated depreciation. But accumulated depreciation, we're going to make a calculation by saying the depreciation that we had in the beginning plus depreciation for the year. Because we do not have any disposals. See, there are no disposals that are there. So the depreciation that if you add the depreciation that we have at the beginning, plus the depreciation for the year, you're going to get the depreciation at the end of the period, which is the accumulated depreciation at the end of the period. So you can say 52,500 plus 55,500. So you say 52,500, and then we add our 55,000. So it remains 258,000 minus we add our 52,500, and then we add 55,000, and then we get 107,500. So we're going to subtract. We are going to say yeah, this one is 55,500 again. So I think we have to correct that one. Here we got 55,500, so we can just correct here. Therefore, we are saying 55,500. And for we add the two, we are supposed to get to 108,000. Can we subtract that one with 50,000 minus 108,000? 108,000. You're going to get your, let's try to calculate it. You're going to get your 150,000. So the answer that you're getting is 150,000. This becomes the final answer for our carrying value at the end of our equipment. So this is what we guys in terms of the calculation of these figures that we have in the fixed asset plot on the question paper of November 2022. So let's stay tuned for more videos to come. More tips for examination questions are going to come. As for this video, I'm signing out. Let's meet again in the next video.